Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the right tools and creating a clean workspace. First, remove visible screws and use a flat pry tool to release trim clips. Do this slowly to avoid breaking plastic. Once trim is loose, set fasteners in a container so nothing gets lost. If electronics or airbags are near the console, disconnect the negative battery terminal. This prevents short circuits and accidental deployment. With the cover off, shine a flashlight on the latch to identify broken pins, springs, or detached cables before proceeding. You now focus on the latch internals. Inspect the cable end for fray, the spring for lost tension, and the plastic pawl for cracks. If parts are dirty, clean with a degreaser and a soft brush. This improves movement and reveals hidden damage. Lightly lubricate metal-to-metal slides with white lithium or a silicone spray. Do not saturate plastic gears with heavy grease, since that attracts dirt. If a pawl or cable is broken, swap it out. Then realign components so the latch engages smoothly before reassembly. You finish by reassembling in reverse order. Hand start all screws, then tighten evenly to avoid distortion. Reconnect the negative battery terminal if you disconnected it earlier. Operate the console latch about 10 times to seat springs and cables. Listen for smooth, consistent travel and feel for firm engagement. If it still binds or won't latch, stop and recheck cable routing and spring seating. Misrouted cables or a popped spring are the most common causes. As a troubleshooting tip, swap in a known good cable to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.